she ran on that one. Felt pretty good. Tough to beat the last pass. Had a solo run on that one too, so I don't know. Showing 2.40 to 60, 0 to 100, 5.4, 6.5 in the 8th at 108, and a 10-1 something, maybe at 135. We'll see, but I'll tell you what, that's almost identical to what it was showing last time when she ripped off that 10-17. Now, that's going to be tough to beat, but I got to tell you, the car felt strong. The 1-2 shift felt good. The last one, it did bark the tires hard enough to actually, you know, cause a little bit of a correction to it, but I don't know. She ran good. Let's see how we did. My man, thank you. Even faster? Are you kidding me? 10-16 at 135.82 miles an hour. Holy shit! 10-1-6 at 135.82. Oh, Revlon, you dirty girl, getting dirtier by the pass. Oh, you nasty girl, you. 10-16, stock boost, pump gas, 309 geared, drag pack shoe wearing little Hellcat. You dirty, dirty, dirty girl. I love ya.